In this chapter, we are going to learn how to add someone on Facebook page. So before going into actual process of adding someone to your page, let's understand what kind of roles you can assign to any person. There are total 5 types of roles you can choose from. The first and very basic is analyst. Analyst can see which admin created a post or comment and view insights. He would be having an access to which he would be able to see the things. He will not be able to do anything on your page. Second is advertiser. Advertiser can create ads, see who created a post or comment, and view insights. If an Instagram account is connected to the page, they can create ads for Instagram profile. That means he would be able to manage all the promotional aspects. Again, he would not be able to do anything apart from paid promotions. Third is moderator. Whatever advertiser can do, all those rights are by default available to moderator. Apart from that, he can send messenger messages as the page, respond to and delete comments on the page. If an Instagram account is connected to the page, they can respond to Instagram comments, send direct messages, and create ads. Fourth is editor. Here, all the rights of moderator are available to editor. Apart from that, he would be able to publish content, post from Instagram to Facebook, and sync business contact info. That means if you want to give a right to someone where you are thinking that he should be managing the publishing aspect, then you must select the editor role. And the last is admin. Admin can manage all aspects of the page. That means starting from analyst to editor, all the rights are available to him. He can create an ad, he can reply to comment, he can send DM, and he can also add and delete another admin on the page. Now you might be thinking why I should add anyone to my page, why I should give any kind of rights, be it analyst, moderator, or admin. See, there are two reasons why you should have at least one another person as admin on your page. Number one, many a time it happens due to certain activities, certain personal profile gets banned or restricted by Facebook. In that scenario, you would not be able to log into your personal profile. That also means you will not be able to log into your business.facebook.com account. In both the cases, you will not have any access to your page. You will not be able to reply or upload any content. So to avoid this kind of situation, if somebody is already added as an admin, you can always log into that ID and access your page. Just to avoid this eventuality, you should add at least one person, be it your friend, family member, or colleague. To whomsoever you trust, you should add them as an admin. Now look at the second reason. Let's assume you are having a bigger team and you want to bring efficiency on social media. In that scenario, you should add someone as advertiser who will look exclusively after paid promotions of your brand, business, or product and services, and someone as an editor who will always look after publishing content, managing replies, and all those organic aspects. So this way, two people would be working with different aspects, and you would be having clear idea who is working on what, and you would be able to give them clear responsibilities. So these are the two reasons for which you should add different people on your page with different roles and rights. So let's see how we can add someone with practical example. So right now we are back on Strikers Fitness brand page, and to add someone as a person on this page, we'll scroll down on this left hand side part and click on settings. From this options on left hand side, you can see this page roles. We'll click there. Over here, if you scroll, you can find the page owner is Strikers Fitness and Jasani Kirit is having admin right. Now to add someone with a different role, we need to come to this section, assign a new page role. If we click on this editor, we will be able to see various roles over here. If we select analyst, then we can see the description, what kind of thing he would be able to do. So right now I'm going to add admin, and I will be selecting my own personal profile. So over here you can do it two ways. One, if you know the person's Facebook username, you can invite them by that, or you need to invite them by their email address. You can see that over here as well, type a name or friend's email address. So I will type Kirit Jasani and my name is appearing right over here. I will select this and I will click add. Now it will ask me to enter my password. I will submit that. Now you can see over here Kirit Jasani has been invited to become an admin of this page and the status is pending. But before Kirit Jasani accept this particular invitation, if I change my mind, I can always cancel this invitation. Now let's see as a person how I am going to see this particular invitation. So for that I need to go to my personal Facebook profile. So right now I am on my personal Facebook profile, which is Kirit Jasani. We can see over here. The first thing I can do is I can check this notifications and I can see Jasani Kirit invited you to become an admin of Strikers Fitness. I can click this and reach to that particular invitation and decide whether I want to be an admin or I want to reject it. See over here, right? Page management invites. Either I can accept or I can decline. Now let me go back to the profile. Now let's assume your profile is very active and that's why you are getting so many notifications. In that scenario, this particular notification would be suppressed by another 15-20 notifications and you might not notice this. So how do you reach to that particular invitation? For that, we'll click this pages, and on the left hand side bottom we can see this invites. We'll click this and again we reach the same destination where we can decide whether to accept or decline. Before accepting this particular invitation, I can view the page as well. So right now I'm going to accept it. So I have accepted. Now let's go back to our page and see what has happened over there. We'll refresh this page. And yes, the status has changed. Now Kirit Jasani is also admin of this page. So it is this simple. You can decide what kind of role you want to assign to a particular person and send them invitations. So figure out on your page who should be second admin as a backup, and if at all you need any other person to play a role of moderator or advertiser, then add them to your page. Currently, there is no such facility available on Instagram where you can add someone as an admin. But if your Facebook and Instagram are connected, then obviously the person based on his rights on the page would be able to manage various aspects of Instagram as well. If you want to allow someone to access your Instagram profile through their mobile app, then definitely you need to share your user ID and password with them. So that's all about various page roles and how to add a person on your Facebook page. See you in the next video.